Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing OneDrive and granting the app storage and camera permissions so it can save and upload files. Next, sign in with your Microsoft personal or work account. This connects your phone to the cloud. Once signed in, choose whether to allow uploads on mobile data. Make sure to toggle that only if you accept potential charges. Also, enable camera upload if you want automatic photo backup. This prevents manual transfers later and keeps your media secure. Now you upload and organize. Tap the plus or upload button, select photos, videos, or documents, and press upload to start. To organize, long press a file to see options like move or rename. Create folders to group items logically so you can find them fast. Once done, mark critical files available offline so you can open them without connectivity. Make sure to sync after large uploads. This ensures OneDrive finishes transfer and shows the right file sizes. And to finish, share files by selecting an item, tapping share, and choosing link or email while setting edit or view permissions so recipients get the right access. Make sure sync is active by checking settings account sync. If files aren't appearing on other devices, force a sync or sign out and back in to reset the connection. If uploads stall, clear the app cache, confirm permissions, and restart the app. This usually resolves stuck transfers and restores normal syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.